टाइम क्रूशल टाइम था क्योंकि वो अच्छा खेल रहा था, तो स्कोर करके बड़ी खुशी हुई।
I was very happy to get a nod. Otherwise, you say it was difficult for us to have Samuel gone on.
Congratulations, Sharaf. Thank you very much, manager, and all the best in the games to come. Sharaf.